हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं वैभव
और मैं वैष्णवी
आप सभी का एक बार फिर से अपने चैनल फन विद वैभव एंड वैष्णवी में स्वागत करता हूँ।
पिछले वीडियो में मैंने आपको जू के कुछ पार्ट का टूर करवाया, तो चलिए जू के टूर को कंटिन्यू करते हैं। आप सब हमारे साथ बने रहिए।
और हाँ, अभी तक आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो जल्दी से कर दीजिए और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर दीजिए।
आज सबसे पहले हम लोग टाइगर देखेंगे। रॉयल बंगाल टाइगर is the largest and most powerful member of the big cat family in India. The Bengal tiger is the national animal of India and is found mostly in India, China, Bhutan, Bangladesh and Burma. Every Bengal tiger has a unique strip pattern. Their color ranges from yellow to bright orange, with strips from dark brown to black. Some of the Bengal tigers are white in color. They live for 10 to 15 years. Average body weight. Male Bengal tigers weight around 225 kg, whereas female Bengal tigers weight around 135 kg. Height. On average, male Bengal tigers measure around 9 feet in length and a female Bengal tiger measures around 8 feet in length. Tigers can eat up to 40 kg of meat in one go. Bengal tigers are fast runners and good swimmers as well. An ostrich is the largest flightless bird in the world, mainly found in Africa. They are the fastest bird on land and ability to run at a 70 km per hour. The height of an ostrich is up to 9 feet, which make it is the tallest bird of the world. It has long skinny legs and a long pointed beak and has the largest eyes among all the land animals. A male ostrich is called as a rooster and a female ostrich is called as a hen. On an average, an ostrich lives up to 40 years, but some species may live up to 50 to 75 years. Bears are one of the smartest and intelligent mammals on this earth. This heavily weighted mammal belongs to the family Ursidae. The lifespan of bears is usually 30 to 40 years. Bears can run very fast despite their heavy weighted body. They have a very good sense of smell. Bears can stand on their two hind legs using their front legs as hands. Emu, flightless bird of Australia. That is the second largest living bird. Of course, first is ostrich. The emu is more than 5 feet tall and may weigh more than 45 kg. They can live between 10 and 20 years in the wild.
वही तो लगता है। किधर है? ओ ये देखो, ये यहाँ है। यही दोनों तो है। देखो वैभव, वाई देखो वैभव सामने आया। देखो वैभव सामने आ गया। देखो वैष्णवी, गोल्डन फिजेंट।
The spotted deer or cheetah is the most common deer species in Indian forest. It lives in grasslands and forests in India and Sri Lanka with a lifespan of about 20 to 30 years. It stands at about 35 inches tall and weighs about 187 pounds. Its top spotted coat is reddish brown above and white below. The Barasingha is a large deer with a shoulder height of 44 to 46 in and a headed to body length of nearly 6 feet. Found in open forest and grasslands of India and Nepal. Its hair is rather woolly and yellowish brown but paler below with white spots along the spine. Zebras are equids members of the horse family. They have excellent hearing and eyesight and can run at speed up to 56 km per hour. They also have a powerful kick that can cause serious injury to a predator, like a lion, a hyena, or an African wild dog. Zebras have a lifespan of around 25 years in the wild. Hippopotamus is a very big animal. It is found in Africa, and if we see a hippopotamus in other parts of the world, then it will be a seen in the zoo. Hippos are large semi-aquatic mammals with a large barrel-shaped body, short leg, a short tail, and an enormous head. The measurement of a hippopotamus is 10 to 14 feet in length and weight is around 3 tons. They are considered the second largest land animal on earth. Of course, first place goes to the elephant.
करते हैं ये टूर आप लोगों को अच्छा लगा होगा। आई होप यू हैड ए गुड टाइम ऑन दिस टूर एंड लर्न इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग्स। प्लीज शेयर योर थॉट्स अबाउट पटना जू इन द कमेंट्स। डिड यू हैव फन एंड लर्न?
I hope you enjoyed this tour. I try to give you some information about how animals live in zoo. A zoo is a special place where you see many different animals from around the world. It's like a big park where animals live in habitats that are made to look like their natural homes. People visit zoo to learn about animals they might not see every day. When you visit a zoo, you can have a lot of fun. अगर आपने हमारे चैनल को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब। तो मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में।